So all we need to do is just delete all the lines as usual, and next go to weekly. So what happened in weekly? I guess the weekly fair value kept holding the price and pushing higher. Yeah. Same thing. The weekly fair value kept holding the price pushing higher. So we might expect the price to reach. We can expect the price to close out the weekly high, previous week high, if I'm not wrong. If this fair value gap is valid, it's a clean break and it's a clean retest to this point, to this breaker, exactly at the breaker, clean retest. So on the family getting filled, getting respected, like once the price reaches this point, it's rejected, a lot of liquidity has been taken. So we can expect higher prices. There's a lot of point in it. Mm, let's see. Let's zoom down to lower time frame. What's happening right now? So as of now, price entering the daily bearish fair value gap. So we can expect some sort of retracement or reversal. Who knows? Since the high has been swept, the structure shift has been happened. Let's leave this imbalance. There is no follow through, but still, it's a clean market maker sell model in higher time frame. So we can look for some sort of sell inside this range. So you should be careful with that. So just mark the 50% of the fair value gap, which should be significant for today. So this is the 50% of the fair value gap. That person, that guy impact me very badly. Starting with $27,000, making over 50 million is not something easy, bro. At the age of 22, you can also doing that. All you need to do just focused, just play the model-based game. That's it. Okay. Sweep, structure shift, fair value gap. So we can expect some lower prices towards this low. Price entering the fair value gap zone. Super. And here it's respecting the weekly fair value gap. Okay, what about in 4 hour? So in 4 hour. In 4 hour, yeah, price entering these levels. Yeah, it's kind of low sweep, flip, could push to the upside. So inside this range, up to this point, we can expect some sort of sell. Until then, we should look for some sort of buy to. I don't know how long it's going to be. It's going to reach this level or this level or this level or above. It's completely filled and then it started reverse. I don't know whether it's ran through and go all the way up to this low resistance like this high, the weekly high. I'm not sure. All I need to do is just focus. Right now, in 4 hour, it flipped the fair value gap, good expansion towards this imbalance. That's it. And this is the weekly thing. Weekly 50% level. Sorry, daily sellers for fair value gap 50% level. Let's move on to 1 hour. What happening in 1 hour? So in 1 hour, the loss manipulation candle gives the structure shift. Let's expect to see what can happen with the help of this. So this is the clean liquidity blow. Loss manipulation candle before the structure shift, clean liquidity. But the thing is, it's not worked. Not worked. It will not work for me when I expect it. It's kind of when the market is choppy continuously. That time executing that trade expecting higher prices. When it actually expanding towards upside, I was not in the market. That's the problem for us today. Okay, fine. So this is extremely premium fair value gap. So I don't think price gonna reverse here. So we can expect some sort of reversal inside this fair value gap. This is the 1 hour beautiful fair value gap. So as of now, I'm just reduce this guy if it is possible. Yeah, I'm just gonna mark this extremely premium fair value gap 1 hour because that's the one aligned with this breaker, aligned with this body candles, and it's a extremely premium fair value gap in this whole swing. So I don't think price will reverse here since it might be, but I don't think if it reverse, it's okay. If not, then we can expect the reversal from here. Boom. And it's a clean liquidity in daily. Clean daily liquidity, like clean daily bullish sorry. Why the hell are you using daily? It's 1 hour. Structure should big displacement, pull back, boom, 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 boom. It's a clean fair value gap that get tapped but not get filled, completely empty. Fair value gaps, okay. Just mark out this guys. Don't get confused. Just mark out this guy. H1 bullish FPG. 14. And this follow is H1 sellers FPG. Boom. And yeah, sorry. Okay. Strategy of boom, 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 boom. Good expansion to the upside. So still it's not ran through. You can expect some reversal here targeting this like this zone. That would be my game plan for the day. Inside is like I would like to I would like to see some sort of reversal until this point. But overall I should be bullish since the weekly fairly according to the price, but still price inside the daily. Let's hope. Yeah. In M15 it's clean. It's a clean imbalance aligned with this liquidity. As of now the fair gaps got ran through, so we can expect the price. For this whole swing, this is the extremely premium and 750 rupees. Yeah, in this whole swing, there is extremely free premium 5 LR price kind of first leg going higher, at least of the high. Tap the imbalance. It might give some reversal, but To be honest, I don't have a clear picture for today, bro. Today is kind of not that clear in my perspective. So where I'm going to be very aggressive for today. I don't know. Currently, I don't know. Today is kind of selling for the for selling for these days, and it's reacting in one daily, sorry, weekly, and entering the daily fair value gap. So, what should I do now? It's good push to the upside, and once it break this level, it's not flipped. It's get break, but it's not flipped yet. Come down, just tap this guy one more time. It's now it gets flipped, and let's leave this imbalance here. So we can expect the price to reach this level. So inside this range, we can wait and see. We can wait and see for some sort of reversal kind of thing inside this level, like we don't know which one. But as of now, expecting the continuation towards this high. If it broke this high to close above, we can expect the price to reach this high. That's it. Let's see. We have something um significantly in M5. I will trade today. If not, I'm not gonna trade. I can tape it, but I'm not interested in this stuff since I don't have good clarity. Kind of a lot of family gets created here. Like here, it's created. Leave the big H1, and it's kind of flipping this guy. So I can expect the higher prices at least to this point. So it seems really good for buy, but as of now, I'm not supposed to buy. Uh, I can buy. Let's wait. What's about half hours? Like in a matter of 30 minutes, whether we do have a news or not, I don't know. Okay, fine. As of now, just leave this guy here. I just marked out these every fellows. What happened? Structure shift. Boom, 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 boom. Clean upside. Like clears up this liquidity entering this. Inside this whole swing. This is the extremely premium fair value gap in 15 minutes. So I just marked out this fair value gap, and I like to see something inside this range. If the file getting flipped, so I can expect something inside this range. If getting flipped, I'm okay. I'm done for the day. No worries. The clean break retest, and it's flipped all the fair value gaps. Boom, boom, boom. Flip. It created this fair value gap, and fair value getting tapped and good reaction. So it's kind of we can expecting some higher prices from this movement. Mm, okay, bro. That's it. Just stay in 15 minutes until gets clear to you. If it's not clear, just don't trade for today. Just leave it for tomorrow. So these days I'm not writing my written journal for past 3 4 days. I'm not writing anything. The last written is not in live. I write the journal after I completed my session. Why the hell I'm doing that? I don't know. Whether I'm busy with doing this streaming thing, I don't know. I had to focus on that. I have to fix that. The journal I'm doing. I don't know how can I track my record. So I can track this my record using this video, but still I don't want to compromise myself from doing anything valuable. So it's sweep, displays, close above, flip, evaluate. Because it seems good, how can I enter? That's wait and see. Go to 50 minutes. Just stay in that 50 minutes time frame as of now. So what happening here in Nasdaq? Nasdaq, today's Friday. What happened for the whole week? Um, Actually, we're still inside the weekly bearish fair gap in this whole swing. Extremely bearish fair gap. Still inside this range, yeah. And one more thing, price failed to take the high, but did take the low. This is what exactly happened in GBPUSD, right? GBPUSD, we do have a weekly fair gap, and price expanding towards lower and sweep the weekly low. It happened here as well, and it failed to take the high. It happened here as well. What whether this is a correlation between the Nasdaq and GBPUSD, I don't know. But the movement for the whole week is is resemble that, right? Resemble each other, right? Like it's low getting swept, expanding. The same thing happened in Nasdaq. Yesterday I was bullish, and here also you can expect the bullish once weekly has been sweep. So if I, as of now weekly sweep, you can target this high. What about daily? So this is the daily time frame. Once the weekly has been swept, is beautiful sell off for the last day, and price expanding towards higher and sweep the yesterday high. So yesterday high has been taken now. This is yesterday high, right? So Thursday, yeah, pre-day high has been taken. So previous day high has been taken. Hello. So previous day high has been taken. Price going higher. Okay, fine. Weekly low. The equal low has been swept. Equal low. The weekly low has been swept. And price expanding higher. Previous day high has been taken. What is super? What happened in 4 hours? Here we do have something in 4 hours to look up for. So in 4 hours, Tata sweep, big displacement. It flip this level gap. Let's leave this imbalance. Okay, good bullish signature. Once it's sweep, you can mark out this as well. Once the weekly low has been sweep, instant flip. Instantly it flip the bearish level gap. And it's formed some bullish imbalance here. And the bullish imbalance getting tapped, expanding higher. So this might be our liquidity. It seems like a low resistance liquidity return, so it's better for me to go for buy today rather than sell. So I just marked out the fair value gap, which remained, which partially, not which partially fell, not even partially. It just tapped and moved higher. So I just marked out the 4 hour bullish fair value gap. Okay. So inside this range, I can be bullish. I can expect the price to reach at least this high. This is should be my target. One like this high, this, and this should be my targets for the day. Everything is a low resistance liquidity run. So I just mark out like this. If I'm bullish, my target would be this. Okay, bro. TP1, TP2, TP3 if I'm bullish. What's the reason weekly low has been swept and this fair value gap still holding the price? Yep. This 4 hour fair value gap still holding the price. The equal low has been swept. Big displacement to the upside. Fair value gap getting flipped in 4 hour and it leave this imbalance. So inside this we can look for buy and expect the buy inflow towards this side. That's the whole plan for today. Let's say this is 4 hour, right? Let's move on to 1 hour. And 1 hour still we have this guy. I wanted to do is just mark out the 4 hour 50% level. But just for now we don't want that item. This is just a confusion. It's a key level, but as of now I don't want that. So weekly high has been taken. So daily high has been taken, price is expanding higher. So I projected this would be our next low resistance liquidity run, and it's clearly low resistance, right? So let's wait and see what's happening right now. Boom, value getting tapped. One more time. Boom. Close out the weekly daily high. Okay. So for selling, I didn't see anything. I don't find anything to be honest. This is and from the third person perspective, this is the last swing which we have right now. High, slow, break, break, big displacement. So we might look for some sort of reversal as well. And this is a kind of I don't find I don't think it's a steady candle. It seems like a news candle. So this is the candle which breaks the daily high, and it's kind of break but fail to displace, break but fail to displace. It's kind of keep on going higher. It's people might entering this zone high. The high has been swept. It's texture shift. It's clean displacement family up. People might short it here, put the stop at the high, and targeting the 50% at this low, but they get stopped out because the daily high is pretty close to this point, and once the daily high has been taken with big displacement, I just marked out that displacement candle, and I like to see some sort of reaction. If I identify some bullish reaction, I can expect the price to reach this point. If it flips, I can expect the price confidently to this because it's kind of this value kind of holding the price, but still this it's a huge imbalance not get filled. So we can expect the price to reach this point. So we can short until this value gap, at least to 50% level. So all everything is depends on this fair value gap. Once it gets flipped, we can expect some short. If it's not, we can expect some continuation. Since the previous high has been taken, we should look for some short. That should be optimal. We expect the fair value gap to flip. That should be the optimal thing we can do. It's zoomed in too much. It's kind of sweep the last high. It's kind of with a structure shift. It's very zoomed in, very much. This is where I entered yesterday. Put the stop at the low. Big move, but I not utilized it because the reason why I'm not utilized this because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. If I do know what I'm doing, then the point of closing is nothing, right? I can't close, right? How can I close if I identify if the market move to this level? I'm sure about that price confidently move to this point. We don't need to afraid about it. If you have that confidence, if you have that knowledge, you are not supposed to close any trade. You should wait for the trade. You're most probably waiting for the trade to play out. Who closed the trade if it has the potential to move to a good place. The point behind that I was not that confident. I don't find the model is good. I entered just because of my friend entered and and after I interviewed the position I had some confidence for it. This is not the right way of trading. I knew that. That's the reason why I can't hold the trade since I didn't know what's going to happen. I understand that once the weekly low has been steep and it's lot of things is right here for me to go for buy. But the point is, mm, for this whole move, price entering the discounted range, but I didn't find any fair gaps. That's the reason. That's the point here. This is the last low. This is the last manipulation candle that should hold the price not to go lower, but it's kind of flipped it to upside, and it's leave this imbalance. So inside this value, I need to be bullish to target this high. If it flipped, we can expect something here. So that's the only thing I'm just waiting here for. Time is almost 8:13. So that's the reason, my bro. If you have the clear plan, clear ideology, what you're looking for, what you're aiming for, you are not supposed to close the trade. You are not. You can't. Since I don't know what I'm doing, That's what tempts me to close the trade, re-enter it. I don't know how long it's going to be. That's the main thing. So all I need to do is just focus on the direction. So from from a model from this price action, what can I expect the market to go? So that's what I need to focus on every single day. Like I have this much data, so with this data, what can I expect from the market? Whether the market going to go higher or going to go lower. So that's the main thing I want to identify it. If it's going if it's wanted to go, if it's point is if it want to go higher, so what's the reason behind that? So how long or how much steps it's going to go higher? That it's going to reach. What's the reason behind that? Why is that? Why is why it can't even um why can't this price go further? Why you think it's gonna stop here and it has the potential to reverse from this point? Why all those things you plan? You have to have all those knowledge from your mind, bro. Then only you can hold the trade expecting some higher prices. Otherwise, just find a trade, execute it. Once you achieve 1:1.5 or 2, just close it. That's what you need to do. That is what you should do if you don't have the direction. The point is premium levels. Boom, boom, boom. It's injected sweep but failed. Again, it's sweep but failed. Because it's a premium level. On surface this level we have to this area. We can look for something, but no, it's not something like it. I'm telling you one thing, bro. Don't neglect this. Just neglect this. Just focus on this area, on this area. That's it. Simple. That's simple. Once surprise reaches this breaker inside this area, once it reaches this point, just set an alert. Once it reaches this point, you should be more alert inside this range. So after here, you should be more alert here. So in these two ranges, you need to be alert. These are the things you don't need to care about much. You don't need to care much about that. It's kind of break the level, retest, flip. It's willing to go higher. There's no point for me to go for sell or something like that. I expect the price to reach this area to this imbalance. Nothing besides that to talk. So just close this fella for now. Just close this. Just leave it as it is. It's yeah, bro. It's good. Actually, what I'm playing here is it's a big imbalance between generality. It's keep on sweeping, so it's most probably going to go higher. In 5 minutes, you can clearly see one important thing. It's this equalo. It's a manipulation gets swept, but there's no displacement value of second shift. If it displaced, give the market make a buy model. It's give the structure shift with big displacement. Once you tap the point, you can expect the price to hold and target this side. That's our game plan, but it's not something like that. So just wait and see what's happening. Neglect this guy. Don't make it that important. Don't think too much. Once the price is this one, start thinking. Once the price is this one, start thinking. Like, these 2 points are very important for today. You're not like, hey, this is like this. No, you should be. This is like this. This is this. I have to do this. This is this. I have to do this. That's your approach should be. You are like thinking too much. Like what I'm thinking from my head, inside my head, I will I openly talk to you. Like what I'm thinking from my head, this high is currency getting protected, and the internal getting swept, which gives the structure. Can I enter was shut? Are you stupid, bro? I'm asking one thing. Are you stupid? What's the reason behind that stop? Beside this, beside this thing, what do you have as a narrative? Do you have any narrative behind that to support this entry? No, you don't have anything. This is just an impulse. This is called impulsive entry. You don't have any other ideas. It might work, it might not work. Who cares? But you need to have some sort of confidence, convictions to execute the trade. If you have the conviction, you should execute because this is suppose the thing. This is the thing you should execute. You should do. This is what you're looking for today. That's what the point of trading is. You're not supposed to execute every single day, every single trades, just because you think and expect the price to come to this point or that point. That's gonna be not gambling. That's gonna be immature trading. How to how to wait, bro. In 1 minute, it's clear sees like high getting protected. It's cheap the internal. It's give every one of my information. Now it's sweep the internal, give the structure shift. So so if I'm where to short here, yeah, short my stop should be here. And I'm expecting the price to go here. This is my target. 1:7.8. Or I target at least 1:2. 1:8. I target this point. Execute my position here, but in 15 seconds I just watching. Okay. Execute my position here. On the tab, executed position, put the stop at the high, targeting 1 is to 1.5. Just don't look for 1 is to 2. Just look for 1 is to 1.5. Yeah. Just 1 is to 1.5. Let's see what happened inside in 15 seconds. Does it really make some sense for me to farm in 15 seconds? It's a market with a sell model structure failure, extremely premium failure. Inside this range, what I can expect? Some sort of reactions, right? If I get the reaction, I can add some pyramid. Okay. So please tap the family here. Yeah, getting tapped. That's right. And this is the recently formed. I'm bearish, right? Okay. Sweet. This is what I'm looking for to flip. So the family getting filled. Now all you need to do is wait for the family to flip. Can I get a trade, bro? It seems super good. You can stop the stop at this way. Once it flip, you are good to go. Okay, fine. I'm not gonna enter. I'm just navigate the trade. That's it. I entered after 9:30. Now I'm just navigating. Now it's give the structure shift. Okay. Now it's get the file getting filled. I get the structure shift, but I didn't get this displacement yet, and I like to see the file to flip. Got it. Till the file holding the price. No need to fire about. Still holding. Still holding. So I execute one more position here. Once it hold, once I identify the file getting hold, executing the position here. My first position was right here, right? Execute my first position here at the breaker. The second position at this point. Yeah. Even though it's a good entry, is Jessica the one who gives pay still? Who's giving blocks? Yeah, but this. Holy shit, bro. You did completely wrong. Market fooled me. You are the wrong fellow. Just $33. Holy shit. Let's go to 3 minutes. What the handle is this? It's like holy shit. Big sweep to the upside. Interval, external, everything has been swept. So kind of what? The failure that holding the price now get plays out. Let's see. Is there anything? Does it a news scandal, bro? Is it a news scandal? I didn't see the news today. I don't see any news fluctuations here. Still, let's keep on going. So giant candle, bro. It should be a news. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. 15 seconds. Just a matter of $30. No worries. Yeah. But I did it my word, right? That's what's called market, bro. Just 5 minutes earlier, I was like, I'm not gonna trade. I'm just tape reading. My entire plan is not to trade. Just tape reading. Just focus on what I'm doing. Just focus on that model, whether it's working or not. That's what my whole game plan is. But the moment I see the candle getting the respect, the fair value gap at premium level in 15 seconds getting respected, I just directly jumped into the trade, and it's give a beautiful slap on my face. Beautiful slap. Mhm. Fantastic slap on my face. Like, who the hell are you, bro? Doing all this shit. Just before you said, I'm not gonna enter. I'm not gonna execute any trade. I'm just tape read. I'm just wait and see. I'm not gonna enter. Until 9:30. I don't wanna take any trades. But you just click the button, bro. Why the hell you do that? This is called trading. Here you have a plan. You can have a lot of things in your head, but the thing is, market tempts you to do something out of the box, like beyond your plan, beyond your game plan, beyond your everything. Market tempts you to do something. You are not supposed to tempt for that. You are not for that. Got it? You don't have any art. So inside this range, we can look for some sort of buy model. Inside this range, we can look for some sort of continuation. Here we can look for some sort of continuation. Here we can look for some sort of buy model. If the price sweep the high, we can look for some sort of sell. If the price sweep the high, we can look some sort of sell. That's your game plan. That's what you need to do. In here, you don't have any business. You're not supposed to took any trades. All you have to do is just wait and watch what's going on. The high has been taken with big fair value gap. In the recent fair value gap, we're holding the price, just close out the high. It's kind of keep on going higher. Please don't do something like this. Don't do something like this. This is market. Obviously, this is market. This is the damn market. It's you are not supposed to stick with your plan. That's the job of the market. It's always manipulating you. It's always tempting you to do something besides your plan. So you have to stick with your plan. If you said I'm not gonna enter because yesterday I said the same thing. I'm not execute any trade like this, but I missed the whole huge part of the no. I'm a bit hesitant to execute last day even though I identified the good put a good entry. But I hesitated it. It worked really well. Today I executed it with some confidence. I'm not. I've clearly said one thing. I don't have the narrative. I don't know why the hell I sell short there. It seems good. I shot that. Shot that. That's it. It seems good. I shot that. Other than that, I don't have any other option. I don't have any narrative. I don't know. Currently, I don't know what's the high time frame draw. What's the price doing? I'm just too much zoomed in, bro. To be honest, I'm too much zoomed in, and I don't know what's going on in higher time frames. And I completely out from that game, and I'm just completely zoomed in, and I just playing the impulsive game right now. That's the thing I'm doing every single day in the wrong way. I have to wait for the price to come to this place. If it's not, I should not trade. I should not trade. If the price not come place of the high, I should not trade because this is a whole swing. Once the swing high buy sell has been taken, you can look for some sort of short. The weekly low has been taken, then a short. It's worked. So that's the reason why you should wait for some sort of key levels to take. In between, you don't have any access to trades, bro. To be honest, you don't have any access to trade. If you keep on doing this kind of shit, you are not gonna be a trader. You're gonna be a gambler for sure. Because I'm constantly chasing price, right? Big displacement, and it's kind of like the imbalance is tapped and keep on going higher. Big imbalance. It should come on. And there is a whole swing. There's a whole swing. After sleep, it's kind of retracement, gives a retracement, and there is no fair value gaps created here. And it seems like low resistance liquidity run. What about M15? So I just stick with the M15. I like to see this high to take. Yeah, put this as solid. Way to see place of this high. Yeah, okay. I forget that why the reason I can short here. I can short just because the previous day high has been taken. That's a valid point. Accept that. That's a valid point. But when the time I execute the trade, I didn't knew that. I forget that. To be honest, I figured that. I am following two markets, so I don't know why I'm looking that, why I'm watching that. That's the reason why it set some alerts. So once you set the alert, I planned that like once the price reach this one, I can trade. Then you can trade. Then you don't need to think too much, spend your energy a lot, burn out a lot. Just you can save your mental and trading capital. Just patiently wait for something. It's a matter of it's a matter of just $33, bro. It's just a matter of $33. It's in 15 seconds. It's very tiny stop, so nothing to worry. So the major reason why I plan to short is daily high, previous day high has been taken, and it's the recent fair value gap. So we can expect some sort of reversal towards the fair value gap, especially the break to this point. So most probably price come not break, right. It's once it breaks some sort of level like this, then it gives some weightation. So it's break this high, leave this imbalance. So I expect and price high has been taken. So I expect the price to come and revisit this place at least to the breaker point. It's valid. That's the reason why I planning to short. But unfortunately it worked. It didn't work. It kind of keep on going higher. It's extremely premium bullish earlier and following the price pushing higher. Let's see. It's kind of news candle number. News candle number. Okay, extremely premium fabric gap holding the price so called. Okay, what happening here? Holding the price. What happening in 1 minute? It's once it comes, it's kind of looked its direction, right? It's looked started to look the point is still you need to be bullish, bro. Still you need to be bullish. Don't forget that. If this value are getting flipped, Like big displacement, you can short to this liquidity. Got it? Once this value getting flipped, once the price rebalance to this point, you can target this liquidity. Until then, you don't have any access to go for any kind of short. You should go for buy because it's a clear engine liquidity. The value remain unfilled, so we can expect some sort of continuation towards this value, this balance. As of now, it just gives some reaction here. That's it. In 1 hour, we don't have anything here. So daily high has been taken. So I expect some reversal towards the recent level again. That's point, bro. That's a valid point. You shorted it in a good way, and and expect the hike then it continuously get protected. And I thought the internal getting swept, so stuck shift. So we can short here, and in 15 seconds it seems really good. That's why I entered at extremely premium point, right? Execute my position at extremely premium point. To understand the value start rejecting, so I entered it. Wait for the flip of the value. Once it flipped, it's right. But at was deep direction. So 15 seconds will be worth it in some peculiar areas. What happened was it's printed equal highs to work with big displacement. If it comes to if the price inside comes inside this range and put some mathematical buy model, I can execute the buy and expect the price to reach this high. Unfortunately, it didn't. It not even get tapped. The value remain unfilled. Let's keep on going higher. So expect some reversal after it's reached the daily high, previous day high. Some sort of reversal, not just a quick scalp towards this point. So you pretty much avoid this kind of stuff and risk, bro. It's better to avoid this kind of entries. It's not something good. Once I zoomed in, what happened here is it is recently found M5 level here. That M5 level, like This value remain unfilled. And this value are kind of holding the price and pushing higher. So that's going on the bullish continuation going on the trade bit last week. So you don't need to think too much, just wait for the liquidity to sweep. And what happened here? And it's very clear. It's very clear. Once a weekly low and sweep, once it tap the edge for bullish, big imbalance, and this imbalance getting tapped, start expanding higher, and this value up inside this whole swing, this is where you expect the price to reverse it. That it's clearly get broke above. This clearly gets broke above and it's keep on continuing to it towards upside. So might be the draw already going to be this high today. Who knows? This is a low resistance, so price might take place at all the highs. It seems super bullish. It's kind of flipped this guy. If ever getting flipped, there is no imbalance inside this range, so you can clearly expect the price to reach this high. So the point I'm selling is bullshit. Here, from this point itself, it's flipped the family gap. Well, the whole swing, like this whole swing, is a family gap, the recent family gap. With it's getting swept, but felt to hold sweep, but there is no structure shift, there is no displacement. Just flip its direction towards upside. So, and let's leave this imbalance. So we can expect the continuation towards this. Very fine, bullish continuation or beautiful. And I recently found a family here getting left and it's respecting this imbalance like imbalance. So I can expect the price to reach this family here. So Asia range, Asia low has been taken in London. No, London high taken is a high taken. So you can target this Asia range, London range, Asia low has been taken. Asia high, what happened in Asia high? Or Asia high and London high, both are getting taken. So let's see. High low taken, high taken, so we might expect the low, right? So let the market do its job. Meanwhile, we're gonna sign the agreement with A8 funding account. Yeah, I got funded last day, 10 just a 10K, but it's not something I can explain. It's a matter of it's not a matter of it's almost 1.5 years. I'm not even able to get funded even a single account. I started trading February, January 2024, I guess. From February, I start trading funded accounts. Yes, it's very quick, but I have to do. I forced myself to start doing in a very aggressive way, and I do it in the right way. I'm not gambling. I'm not doing anything silly. I followed my game plan, followed my risk management, followed my rule. I started with 15 minutes time frame. Now I'm trading in 1 minute and 15 seconds as well. That's where I am now. So FTMO the first account, and I blow the and I successfully passed the first phase. But unfortunately, due to some various reasons, not various reasons, due to the mindset of getting funded, I want to get funded, I want to get a payout mindset, not allowed me to pass the second phase. I failed it at by December 19 or 20, I guess. Yes. So yeah, what I'm doing. So meanwhile, I buy a lot of accounts. Like after I buy FTMO, not FTMO, Funda Pro 10K, I bought Alpha Capital 100K, directly to 100K. Crazy, right? Then I bought 100K in E8. Everything has a pure intention to pass the challenge, get payout, get payout, get payout. That same mindset ruined my trading career for 1.5 years. But still, I'm not deviating anything. I'm not trading 10 to 15 trades a day. I'm following my game plan. I was in a losing streak for almost 7 months. From June itself, I was completely in the losing streak. Once I bought the 100K, emotion started to play. Emotion kicked in, and I can't focus anymore. I started focusing on the money, and it's kind of I'm completely into drawdown, bro. I'm not even making any profits. The 100K, the 200K from E8 and then Alpha Capitals. I'm not in profits. July and August, I bought the two accounts. From that day itself, it's almost a year. I'm not even in. I'm in drawdown. I'm in. To be honest, I'm in drawdown. I'm not able to come to break even. And one more thing is I'm not actually trading since I was in a bad drawdown. I have only 1% left in that account, so I'm bit scared to trading that account. So I don't want to blow the account right now. So I can blow, but right now this is not the right time to blow. So I just keep on trading just very vocationally in order to keep that account active. That's it. But yesterday I just passed the third phase, which is in E8 funded E8. So I got funded. So today I'm gonna kind of sign the contract. So hopefully everything going to be good. I'm trading 50K in Alpha Capital, and I'm not in drawdown. I went to drawdown I up to 7%, but I still come giving back all my profits. Now I'm in the phase of 1% up in my 50K, so I have to pass that account as well. And in Funda Pro, it's a crazy story. I'm up 9%, and I down to 1%, and I'm in drawdown, and I again make back all the way up to 12%. Then I give donate all the 12% that just come back all the way towards the 1% level, below 1%. Now I take my account again all the way towards the 10%. Now I'm pretty close to 9% in Funda Pro. So I hopefully I'm gonna pass. The past 2 days did something very, 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 very stupid. I'm up 4%, but I didn't close the trade. I was very greedy and I hold the trade towards some home run for some home run, but I'm not able to make that. So yeah, right now this is our situation. So today I'm gonna sign the contract just in front of you guys. I knew no one is watching, but still have to act like that, right? And work like that. So I execute a position and I don't have the clarity. That's the big red flag. The first thing is weekly daily high has been taken and decimal has not even get tapped. So please keep on rejecting here. So I expect the reversal at least to this point. So it's makes sense. But unfortunately it's keep on going higher. So market is completely bullish. I kind of fighting against the trend. So it's after sweeping the weekly. It's flip, big displacement, getting tapped. The recently formed M15 fair value gap. M15 fair value gap keep on holding the price, fail to break below. It's keep on holding the price, big displacement to the upside. It's clears of this high. It's kind of tiny manipulations here. Sweep, but it's not actually. It's a daily high here. It's just literally print the equal highs. Just a manipulation. If you entered instead of short at 445, you're gonna be um stopped out obviously. Apparently you get stopped out here. So now it's get break with big displacement. So inside this range, I can be bullish and targeting this thing. But unfortunately, I get tempted and I use one sell position. Even though it's a tiny loss, but it's still a loss, right? Um, Forget about the loss and profit for a moment. But the point, very important point, I deviate my word. I'm not following my word. As per my word, I'm not. I shouldn't trade before the market open. And why I'm analyze that thing, while it seems super sexy at that point of time, I was like, I think confidence telling like, no, I just gonna tape read this. I'm just gonna analyze this. I'm not gonna enter any position here, but something inside me, bro, it's a huge, it's a good opportunity. Why you hesitated? Why you just neglected? Just execute it. You are right. You are right. That mindset just tempted me to just tap the button, bro. Here it's very easy. Not like other accounts. It's once you just tap this button, it's automatically buy or sell. Tap just one click. I was like, I'm just one click away from getting getting some not payout, getting some achieving some profits today. So I was like super I completely caught into that trade. I was like I zoomed into 15 seconds and in that extremely premium fair value gap that holding the price. Once I see that rejection, I enter the position, put the stop at it. It's valid, I guess. It's something valid, but it's not the right place. It's not the right thing. Only thing which I feel really bad about myself is I'm not following my word. That's the thing. I deviate my word. Whether I make profit or not, whether I lose, whether I profit, I should follow my plan. I should wait for my words. If I said I have to do this, I have to do this. If I said I'm not going to trade, I shouldn't trade. That's my respect with my words. That's where I can elevate my self-esteem, right? So I have to respect my words. I have to follow my words. So that's what most important for me, bro. I'm not gonna do whatever my mind tells to me. Like that's right. Now we're gonna do that. E8. Just go to this. This is okay. Eight markets. Boom, 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 boom. E8. Get started. I don't know how to log into this guy. I couldn't find that. I couldn't find it, bro. Let's go to that. Mm, there we are. So before accessing your E8 account, you must sign the agreement, right? Sign the agreement. So independent contractor agreement. The agreement between E8 funding and Sarirajan government dated 20 June 2025 account number. This agreement is made on the 20th, 20th day of June 2025. Hereinafter, the effective date by and between E8 Funding LLC, a limited liability company formed in the state of Texas with offices at 4053 Lively N2E, Ontario. Okay, that's matter. Sorry, Lively N Dallas TX 75220 E8 Funding and Saudi gentlemen who reside at 152 Edinburgh Drive, Kitchener, Ontario, Canada with ID. Everything has been here, bro. I'm not gonna show that. Premiable funding offers education platform, migration fees, Article 1. Business days shall mean a day, Saturday, Sunday, English banks, United States are closed, business day public day. I don't know, a lot of things is there. You don't need to read all those things. Legislation, obligation, person, policy. Boom. All set. Document is complete. Another PDF. The PDF also getting downloaded. Yeah. So what do you need to do now? Just close it. So your account is now ready. Congratulations. Damn goodness. Fresh 10K. That this is our panel for the past week. We are constantly keep on rocking here. It's like it shows my consistency score. Like I'm consistent for the past week. This month is really good for me. This is our birthday month, and that's really good, bro. Fresh 10K, start date, accurate, your account is ready. Now you can trade, and if you made some money, it's up to you. You gonna get that money, bro. That's it. Yeah, track, boom, 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 boom. Phase one, phase two, phase three, everything has been completed. Now we are ready, bro. That's it. Uh, I'm not going to trade this account today. I'm going to trade this account by next week with proper plan, with proper mindset, not nothing random. Even though it's 10K, it's not something easy, bro. This is going to set the trajectory for my trading path. So I have to focus on that. So time is 9:14. My fella is sleeping upside. I gonna wake him up. Last week, teacher Pandala was sick. Right to the service. So, Manfred Okay. Is it खाली करके? Okay. It's clearly expanding towards this high boss. Clearly expanding this value remain unfilled. It's didn't but not completely filled. Let's keep on going higher so we can expect the highs getting taken. Some bullishness. There is no imbalance, the only imbalance is getting ran through. So it would be great for me if I look for some sort of buy. It's big displacement boy. How the hell I shot here? Farewell gap, respecting big displacement, structure shift again a farewell gap after breaking that daily high. So inside this range, I can look for buy. I should wait for some sort of buy. Otherwise, I'm not going to enter any position, right? The only thing I can do is I can look for some buy inside this range. If I get the buy, I enter with the stop at this low, targeting this high. That's going to be the optimal trading for today. But I'm just short without the narrative. The narrative is told me to go for buy until this point. It's a clean buying curve. But but I didn't add any narrative here. I just entered. The only narrative which I have for me is liquidity has been taken. Not liquidity, that it's manipulated. Two times it's manipulated. Forget that. Previously has been taken, and this earlier remain unfilled. So that's the reason why I try to scalp inside this range and towards this point. That's my plan, but it didn't work. That's it. And 19, here what happening? I didn't find anything valuable here. I don't see anything. So if the price come to this, see if the price come to this one, I can go for some sort of buy. This is where the clean liquidity resides. Enter the position targeting. Boom, that hikes. Targeting this fair value at least this 50% level. This breaker, this is where we can expect the price to come. You just mark this level as well, bro. This is also an important level for me. Yeah. Just mark this level, mark this level here. There's three alert for me. Once the price reaches this point, I can be alert. This point I can be alert. This point I can be alert. Besides that, I don't have any more any other than that I don't have anything to do. Tuesday high has been taken. Price kind of flipping all the fair value gap to the left side. Just keep on going higher. Every fair value gap respecting. Not on tap, but it's fun going higher, 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 higher. So I do have one plans, which is nothing but I'm so completely focused on Nasdaq chart. In GBPUSD, I can do only one thing. I just mark the key levels. Once the price approach, I just mark the key levels and set an alert. Once the price approach the key levels, then I start to watch the price action, start to execute some entries. That's it. Besides that, I don't. Besides that, I'm not gonna do anything inside the message. கான்ட்ராக்ட் சைன் பண்ணிட்டேன்டா. இப்போ நீங்க அனுப்பிச்சுட்டாங்க. 98. இன்னைக்கு தான் அனுப்பிச்சுட்டாங்க. அந்த கான்ட்ராக்ட் சைன் பண்ணோம்ல, பண்ணியாச்சு. தைக்கிட்டு இனிமே நம்ம லாகின் பண்ணி ட்ரேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ப்ராப்பரா ரிஸ்க் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் போட்டு ப்ராப்பரா ட்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம்னா சூப்பர். ஆனா இதுல என்ன ஒரு பெனிஃபிட் 100% கொடுத்துருவானுங்க. இன்னொன்னு டிராபேக் வந்து இன்னொரு பெனிஃபிட் எப்போ வேணா பேர் கேட்டுக்கலாம். எந்த டைம்ல வேணாலும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அது எனக்கு ஷூரா தெரியல. நான் எப்படி வேணாலும் கேட்டு ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஆனா அதுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு கண்டிஷன், நம்ம ட்ரேடிங் வின்னிங் டே மோஸ்ட் வின்னிங் டே வந்து 50% மேல இருக்கக்கூடாது. 40% 50% மேல இருக்கக்கூடாது. இங்க ஒரு ரீசனா நம்மளோட கன்சிஸ்டன்சி லாஸ்ட் இந்த மந்த்ல மட்டும் ஸ்டில் இதுல வந்து கன்சிஸ்டன்சி இருக்கா? இப்போ இதுல இல்ல லைவ் அக்கவுண்ட் போயிட்டோம்னா இது மாதிரி மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிட்டா போதும். ஆக்சுவலா நம்ம ஓவரால் ப்ராஃபிட் டோட்டல் பண்ணோம்னா ப்ரோ இப்படி இருக்க கூடாது. ஒரு ஒன் வின்னிங் டே இப்போ இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நாள் தான் ஹையஸ்ட் வின்னிங் டே 122 தான் ஹையஸ்ட் வின்னிங் டே. ஹையஸ்ட் வின்னிங் டேவோட 40% ஆகும். அப்படி கிடையாது. 50% அப்படி கிடையாது. இப்போ ஓவரால் ப்ராஃபிட்ஸ் நான் எவ்வளவு மேக் பண்ணிருக்கேன்? $500 மேக் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அந்த $500ல $250 சிங்கிள் டேல இருக்கக்கூடாது. அதான் அப்படி பாக்குறப்போ இங்க உள்ள எந்த ட்ரேடுமே எனக்கு அப்படி கிடையாது. ஓவரால் நான் ஒரு 400 வச்சிருக்கேன்னா எல்லாமே எனக்கு 80 90 100 அப்படி தானே இருக்கு. ஸோ 200 மேல இருந்தாதான் எனக்கு வந்து கன்சிஸ்டன்சி உள்ள பிரேக் பண்றேன்னு அர்த்தம். இப்போ இது கன்சிஸ்டன்டா தான் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இந்த மாதிரி நான் ட்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தனாலே போதும், நம்ம ஈஸியா ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். எப்ப வேணாலும் எடுக்கலாம். அந்த கன்சிஸ்டன்சி எப்படி கீப் ஆன் பண்ணி அப்படியே பூஸ்ட் பண்ணு ப்ரோ. இந்த பிரேக் ஆகாம பூஸ்ட் பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு வந்தாலும் சூப்பர். ஓப்பன்
Really high strength and fuel and stay. So the AI previous week's high, this is
Then
this week's high. No news anche. Reading sembra che hai un permesso di
News ಇಲ್ಲ one is even due to more solid reason creating அந்த லிக்விட் எடுக்க வெயிட் பண்ண தேவையில்லையாடா? லெஃப்ட் சைட்ல இருக்குல்ல ஒண்ணு. அது எடுக்கிற அளவுக்கு வெயிட் பண்ண தேவையில்லையா? சரி.
Daily, weekly, எல்லாமே ஸ்வீப் இருந்துச்சு. So that's not a big deal.
இல்ல நான் எதுக்கு வெயிட் பண்றதுன்னா, எனக்கு புரிஞ்சு இந்த ஃபேரடே ஃபிளிப் பண்ணலான்ட்டு எடுக்கலான்ட்டு. பட் ஆனா லெஃப்ட் சைட்ல ஒரு லிக்விடிட்டி ஜோன் இருந்தது. அந்த லிக்விடிட்டி எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் போலாமா? இல்ல எடுக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே போலாமா? ஏன்னா இது போய் ஃபேரடே கேப்பையும் டேப் பண்ணிடுச்சு 5 மினிட்ஸ் ரைட்? 5 மினிட்ஸ் ஃபேரடே கேப்பையும் டேப் பண்ணிட்டு ஃபிளிப்பு, ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஷிஃப்ட். மேக் சென்ஸ். புரியல.
11 minutes.
ஆ?
11 minutes.
க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டியா?
ஆ.
என்னாச்சு?
அவன் அவுட்லாம் இல்ல. லைக் முடிஞ்சுச்சு அவ்வளவுதான். எதுவும் ஆகல. இவங்கள ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாதுல்ல. 1:3, 1:3 ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஹிட்.
இதுக்கு மேல கீழ போறதுக்கு பொட்டன்ஷியல் இருக்குல்ல?
அந்த ஃபேவரல் கேப் ஹோல்ட் ஆகி மேல கூட வரும் ஒரு வரத்துக்கு. ஸோ நல்லா deep drawdown break-even. Has to close below this last candle or else it will reverse. 20, 30 seconds. Perfect.
ஃபேவரியா ஃப்ளிப் ஆகணும்னு சொல்றியா?
இல்ல இந்த கேண்டில் இருக்குல்ல க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. இது தெரியல எப்ப ரிவர்ஸ் ஆகுமான்ட்டு. Should not come about this way, this candle up here. Because there's a fair value gap holding. Still, if it comes up here, I'm more like $200 down. 1:3. Good day. Good day, good week. Perfect. இப்ப சொல்றேன். இங்க வேணும். டெய்லி ஹை இருக்கா? இது வந்து ப்ரீவியஸ் வீக் ஹை, ப்ரீவியஸ் வீக் லோ, ப்ரீவியஸ் வீக் ஹை, அப்புறம் வீக்லி இது டெய்லி ஹை. டெய்லி ஹை பண்ண மாதிரி. போறோம். இதுக்கு மேல நான் ப்ராஃபிட்டும் பண்ணக்கூடாது.
ஏன்?
ஆல்ரெடி நான் $250 முதலே. $250 per day. $500 மேல ஒரு நாளைக்கு பண்ணக்கூடாது. Perfect entry. 773 up for the week.
ஒரே நிமிஷம் இரு. இப்போ செல் பண்ணியிருந்தா என்ன பண்ணும்? செல் பண்ணியிருந்தா பை லிமிட், பை பண்ணியிருந்தா செல் லிமிட், செல் பண்ணியிருந்தா பை லிமிட், ரைட்? செல் பண்ணியிருந்தா பை
$429 day. வரும். ஏன் bro?
என்ன பண்றதுன்னே தெரியல ப்ரோ நானு. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா, எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஒரு ஃபியர் ஆஃப் லூசிங் மணின்ற ஒரு கான்செப்ட் வந்து என் மைண்ட போட்டு கொல்லுது. எங்க நான் ப்ராஃபிட் போயிடுமோ? போகட்டுமே. க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன், முடிஞ்சுச்சு. டே டன். $343 அவ்வளோதான்.
இதுக்கெல்லாம் A+ step 5 6 லாட் போட்டுக்கலாம்.
ஏ பிளஸ் செட்டப் 6 லாட் போட்டிருக்கணும். இங்க பார்ஷல்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கணும். பிரேக் ரன் பண்ணிட்டு பேலன்ஸ் ரன் பண்ண விடணும். இல்ல லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ் இஸ் தேர் ப்ரோ. கிளியரா ஃபேவலியா ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் சி. திருப்பி உள்ள வந்துச்சுன்னா கூட ஏதாவது ட்ரை பண்ணுவோம். ப்ராஃபிட் புக் பண்ணிட்டு. இந்த M5 ஃபேர் வேல்யூ கேப்குள்ள வந்துச்சு.
I should not be
இல்ல உடனே சொல்றேன் நானு.
அதான். எப்படியோ கம்முன்னு கையை வச்சுட்டு சும்மா இருந்ததுன்னா
ம்.
என்னோட இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நார்மல் டேக் ப்ராஃபிட் அடிச்சிருக்கோம். ஆனா நான் அடிச்சிருந்தேன்னா கன்சிஸ்டன்சி ஸ்கோர் அதிகமா இருக்கும்.
ம்.
The reason I was like trading the trade and lose it before it hits my take profit is because of this. I probably made $253 on the day, $257 on the day, and I now make more than $500 on a day. So because of the consistency rule, and I break the consistency rule. So every single day it will be around that, right? Within 500, so 500. So after like coming out of draw, I kept everything on 500. 1% trade risk, 1% gain. That's it. So now it's all good. We are up around $177 for the week. This week started off being good in one bad day, and then the other two was like a beautiful day. Yeah. So these are the days that I flipped myself and I overtrade and I lost too much and I lost more than I'm supposed to do. ஈஸியா 1:5 அடிக்கிறேன் bro.
இது சூப்பரான என்ட்ரி தான்டா அது. நல்ல லாட் போட்டு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு லோடு. எனக்கு என்னன்னா, எனக்கு எங்க டார்கெட் பண்றது தெரியல. எனக்கு என்னோட டார்கெட் படி இங்க நான் டார்கெட் பண்ணலாம். இந்த இருக்கு பாரு. M15 இம்பேலன்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல. இந்த லிக்விடிட்டி இருக்குல்ல.
அந்த இம்பேலன்ஸ்ல வருங்க. எது தெரியுமா? லண்டன் டோ வரைக்கும் டார்கெட் பண்ணலாம்.
லண்டன்ல இல்ல. லண்டன்ல நான் பார்க்க முடியலன்னு வச்சுக்கவேன். என் கண்ணுக்கு தெரியுறது கிளீனா இந்த இம்பேலன்ஸ் வரைக்கும் டார்கெட் பண்ணலாம். இந்த இடம் ஃபில்லே ஆகாம போயிருக்கு. கீழே இன்னும் ஃபில் ஆகாம போயிருக்கு. நிறைய லிக்விடிட்டி கீழே இருக்கு. ஸோ ஹோல்ட் பண்ணலாம்னு தெரியுது. பட் ஸ்டில் ஐ எம் நாட் ஹோல்டிங் இட். இப்பதான் நல்லா வருது. ஓகே ஃபைன், முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. வெளில வந்தாச்சு. இன்னும் அதை பற்றி யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கு.
நீ இப்ப கூட ரிஸ்க் என்டர் ஆயிட்டு இங்க ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் வைக்கும்.
இல்ல போதும். enough. $1,500 க்ளோஸ் டு போதும். இந்த இடத்துல நான் வந்து பண்ண தப்பு என்னன்னா
1500
$1,400 ஆயிடுச்சு.
பக்கா.
ஸோ அதனால விட்டுறலாம். இட் இஸ் வாட் இட் இஸ். ஏன்னா என்ட்ரி எடுத்த இடத்துல நான் 5 to 6 லாட் போட்டிருக்கணும். அண்ட் ராங். ஏன்னா நான் கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூஷன்ல இருந்தேன். என்னோட கன்ஃபியூஷன் என்னன்னு சொல்லவாடா, என்னோட மேஜர் கன்ஃபியூஷன் இதான். இங்க இருக்கு பாரு, இந்த இருக்கு பாரு லிக்விடிட்டி. இந்த லிக்விடிட்டி எடுத்துருச்சு. ஸோ இந்த லிக்விடிட்டி அலைன் வித் திஸ் M5 இம்பேலன்ஸ் அந்த ப்ரீவியஸ் டே ஹை எல்லாம் எடுத்துருச்சு. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக ப்ரைஸ் ஒரு ரிவர்சல் கொடுக்கும். ரெண்டாவது இங்கே இந்த M15 இங்கே கீழெல்லாம் எதுவுமே ஃபில்லே பண்ணல. எல்லாம் பிளாங்க் அவுட் போயிருக்கு. ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக திரும்பி வரும். ஸோ அதுதான் வெயிட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஆனால் இந்த ஃபிளிப் ஓகே, இதே நானும் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். நீ பார்க்குற மாதிரி நானும் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். ஆனால் இந்த ஹையை எடுத்துட்டு ப்ரைஸ் திரும்ப போகுதா இல்லை இங்கே ப்ரைஸ் திரும்ப போதான்ற மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு ஒரு பயம். அப்போ நீ என்கிட்ட எடுத்து பார்த்தோம், டக்கு என்கிட்ட எடுத்துலாம். அதான் நீட்டான ஒரு ஹோல்ட் ஆச்சு. வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தோம். ஃபிளிப்பு கிளீன் டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் உள்ள வரப்போ என்கிட்ட எடுத்தாச்சு. மேலே எடுத்து ஸ்டாப்பா போட்டாச்சு. ஆனால் இந்த மாடலை என்னால இவ்வளவு தூரத்துக்கு ஹோல்ட் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு தெரியல. இதுதான் என்னோட டேக் ப்ராஃபிட். இந்த லிக்விடிட்டி இருக்குல்ல, இந்த இம்பேலன்ஸ், இதுதான் என்னோட டேக் ப்ராஃபிட் நான் பிளான் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். அவ்வளவு தூரம் என்னால ஹோல்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா, அவ்வளவு தூரம் வருமான்னு தெரியல. அது வருமா தெரியுமா தெரியாதான்ற மேட்டர்லாம் அதுக்கு லாட் சைஸ் கரெக்டா போட்டு பார்சல்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு பிரேக் இன் பண்ணிட்டு விட்டுருக்கணும். என்னால அது பண்ண முடியல. 3 லாட் தான் போட்டேன். ஓகே ஃபைன். $400 க்ளோஸ் டு அப். குட் வீக். இன்னும் ஒரு ட்ரேட் கிளீனா எடுத்தா போதும் $1500க்கு. இன்னும் 2 வாரம் இருக்கு நினைக்கிறேன் டைம், ரைட்? இட்ஸ் செகண்ட் வீக். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தேர்ட் வீக்.
செகண்ட் வீக்.
இங்க பார்த்தா தெரியாதா? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம்.
Just my baby dog, yeah. My baby dog, yeah. Could have done it better. Should have kept it. Once just picked up, then kept on a shot plus I don't know why I began top plus. Okay, that's not good. That connection, I had a reason to be with it. But still, I could have just let it run and it was nothing perfect. Anyways, it's all good. For the week, good day. So let's go.
அந்த ஒரு டேவை அவாய்ட் பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளோட டே சூப்பரா வந்துருங்க.
$650.
அதுதான்
வேற லைக் I did this week. Okay. This day I did something that's
ஸோ ஏன்டா இங்க பாரு,
ah
இப்போ வந்து இந்த வாரம் சோஃபா ஸோ குட் தான். நேற்று தேவையில்லாம வந்து லாஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்டா. நேற்று $200 அப்பு, அதோட போயிருக்கணும். தேவையில்லாம நான் உள்ள வந்து தேவையில்லாத ஒரு என்ட்ரி எடுத்தேன். ஆக்சுவலா நம்மளோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ட்ரி ப்ளே அவுட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கப்போ ஸ்டூபிட் ஸ்டஃப். ஸோ இப்போ இன்னும் தேர்ட் வீக் ஃபோர்த் வீக் இருக்கு. நமக்கு 2 வாரம் தான் நம்ம வாங்கி ட்ரேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
அங்க எத்தனை நாள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே இதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே. 2 வாரம் இருக்கு. இன்னும் 2 வீக்ஸ்.
2 வீக்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஜஸ்ட் 5,500 தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ டோன்ட் ரஷ். பி பேஷண்ட்.
I'm asking ChatGPT.
என்ன ஒரே ஒரு கஷ்டமா இருக்குன்னா, ஒரு நிமிஷம் தூக்க கூட ஹோல்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேன். ட்ரை பண்ணிச்சோம்னா மனசு வருத்தமா இருக்கு.
இன்னொன்னு நீங்க எப்படி நீங்களே தனியா இருக்கீங்களா அந்த ட்ரேட் எடுத்திருப்பீங்களான்னு கேட்டுக்கோங்க. அதுதான் மெயின்.
மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ஐயோ மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம்னு அதான் முக்கியமான விஷயம்.
எடுங்க, தைரியமா எடுங்க.
தைரியமா எடுக்கிறது
இல்ல ப்ரோ, நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா நீங்க லாஸ் பண்ணீங்கனாலும் உங்களோட லாஸ் மினிமம் தான். ஏன்னா ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி எப்படி இருக்கு, மினிமம் லாஸ். ஒரு மொக்க செட்டப்ல போயிட்டு நமக்கு ரிஸ்க் வைக்கிறத விட இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஏ பிளஸ் செட்டப்ல ரிஸ்க் வைக்கிறது தப்பே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா அது ஒரு லிக்விடிட்டியே கிடையாது. ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு ஃபேர் வேல்யூ ஹோல்ட் ஆகுது. வீக்லி ஹை, டெய்லி ஹை, 2 ஹை ஸ்வீப் இருக்கு. இதுக்கு மேல இருந்தா கன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ், இதுக்கு மேல கன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸே தேவையில்லை. இவ்வளவு பெரிய வேலண்டைல் கேண்டில் இருந்துச்சு, இன்வெர்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு ஒரு கேண்டில். என்ட்ரி எடுக்கலாம்.
ஸ்டாப். புரியுது. அதுதான் நான் கொஞ்சம் திங்க் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தேன். எனக்கு தெரியுது நீங்க ஃபிளிப் ஆனா நம்ம என்ட்ரி போலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு. ஃபிளிப் ஆனா போலாம்னு தெரியுது. ஆனா ஃபிளிப் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம்
நான் என்ட்ரி எடுத்தது இங்க கன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் இங்க இருக்குது. எனக்கு கன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் இன் செட்டப் டெலிவரி இங்கதான் இருக்குது. அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே நான் எடுத்துட்டேன். ஏன்னா ரிஸ்க் கம்மி. 1:3 இந்த ரிஸ்க்.
க்ளோஸ் ஆகிற டைம்ல எடுத்துட்டே டக்குனு கேண்டில். Trade.
46 from the second news is what my funded future. Okay.
மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன் டார்கெட் பண்றதா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டார்கெட் மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன். மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன் ஆச்சுல்ல?
இல்ல நானே டார்கெட்டே பண்ணல. அது நான் கண்டது கூட இல்ல. இது வரைக்கும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டார்கெட்.
ஏன் அந்த இடம்?
ஏன்னா அதான் ஒரு 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 நல்ல லோ. மார்க்கெட் ஓப்பன் இங்க இருக்கு.
அது இம்பேலன்ஸ் வேற இருக்கு.
இம்பேலன்ஸ் யார் ப்ரோ? இது பாருங்க. இப்ப இம்பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கா? மேல நல்லா ஹோல்ட் ஆகி போயிருக்கு. இப்ப இங்க என்ன இருப்பாங்க? இது ஹோல்ட் ஆகுது இன்னைக்கு ஹோல்ட் ஆகி இங்க போகும்னு நினைச்சுப்பாங்க எல்லாரும். ஓகேவா? இது எதுனா இந்த வாரம் ஹை, இந்த வாரத்தோட ஹை, இந்த வாரத்தோட ஹைக்கு போய் நியூ ஹை கிரியேட் பண்ண போதுன்னு நினைச்சு நிறைய பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, மேல கிளிக் ஆகி இந்த இடத்துல ஹோல்ட் ஆகி பை பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஆனா என்ன இருக்கு, இந்த 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 நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது. எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியுதுன்னு தெரியல. நான் இதான் என் ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி. ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி ஃபாலோ பண்ணேன். இந்த இடத்துல இன்வெஸ்ட் ஆச்சு. அப்படியே இந்த கேண்டில் பார்த்த உடனே என்ட்ரி எடுத்துட்டேன். இதுதான் என் டார்கெட் நெக்ஸ்ட். ஏன்னா எனக்கு தெரியும் இதுக்கு மேல அடிச்சு உடச்சுதான் வரும். இது இந்த லோ எடுக்கும் கண்டிப்பா. அப்படியே இருந்தா இந்த ஒன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு இந்த இந்த ஃபேவலுக்கு ஹோல்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு சான்சஸ் இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ அதனால நானும் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணேன். ஏன்னா திரும்பி ஒரு ரீட்ரேஸ்மெண்ட்ல உட்காந்துருக்க அளவுக்கு எனக்கு பேஷண்ட் இல்லை. அடுத்த லிக்விடிட்டி எடுத்துச்சு போய். இதெல்லாம் என்னோட டார்கெட் நான் போட்டு வந்து எனக்கு அது ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா இவ்வளவு தூரத்துக்கு அது எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் ஆகி போயிட்டு இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது. அது இது ஃபாரெக்ஸ் கிடையாது, ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ். நேத்து நான் பிளான் பண்ண எல்லா டார்கெட்டுமே எடுத்துச்சு ராஜீவ். அப்படிதான் வரணும். எல்லா டார்கெட்டும் எடுத்துச்சு கரெக்டா. நம்மளோட ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் அடிச்சது அப்புறம் பிளான் எல்லாமே பர்ஃபெக்ட். What's blocking you from going live? Okay. Consistency rule, your biggest profitable. So you need more $100 to $300 green valuation. Remaining days to better. Okay. It hurts consistency rule. 427 hours. Goal 30 to 30 total days with 100 plus. You have 11 winning days. Now it's 12. What to do? Fix your consistency. Keep your daily profits between 100 to 300. Do not hold June 1st. Okay. சரியான நன்றிடா.
The only thing it's bad today is the lot size is not that great, and I'm not holding that weight since I டேக் ப்ராஃபிட் வந்து அடிக்கிறப்போ அது முன்னாடியே க்ளோஸ் பண்ண போட்டு எவ்வளோ கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சு ச்சே. ஒரு மைண்ட் சொல்லுது பார்ஷியல் செட் ஒரு மைண்ட் சொல்லுது ஃபுல்லா க்ளோஸ் பண்ணு என்னத்த நான் கேட்கறது.
I'm done.
Okay, have fun. Stop talking English. Wait.
பாத்தீங்களா?
ம்.
நான் கேட்டீங்கல்ல, ஏன்டா இவ்ளோ $100 $200 வைக்கிறீங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு.
ம்.
இதுக்காக தான்.
ம்.
நெக்ஸ்ட் 15 டேஸ்க்கு இவ்ளோ தான் இருக்கணும் என் ப்ராஃபிட்ஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள்க்காக இது.
ம்.
100 to 200.
ம்.
Forget flashy days, the algorithms favor 100%. Keep your equity line smooth. Grow slow and steady. Show them discipline is not time. Not just to remind your $100 a day keeps the payout delay away. Stay bored, stay funded. Just not do the dog. Just not let the dog. أنا مو كده في اسمه فايدة الليل. إن شاء الله. I just need some ingredients. Goodbye, now, pretty scripts. Autos to squeeze on the jeans. But no, I tell you, please. Started from the bottom like a snowman. Yes, the Tom. Our using of genes behind BTS waste. ஓ இது முடிச்சிட்டீங்களா? லைவ் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? இதுல இது பாட்டு போடுறதா இல்ல.
Do you guys think we're gonna go and grab the gap slash volume imbalance down there? Are escalating more stuff with so the US is starting to step. So it's like can't get a pulp.
Hold on. Oh, no, that's not right because that account is a trade pay account. So that's why I can't put on.
Smasher past Santa Cruz. Smash. He's hard, bro. He's dope. Hard. Yeah, he's awesome, dude. Super cool. Fun fact, Santa Cruz, my first time ever meeting him, he gave me shrooms. And I was like, I can get both ways. So do you be sneaking shrooms in the kids' electrolytes? Yeah, dude, now that you say that, he kind of, he needs a protein shake. Tastes like yeah, not like it didn't taste off, but I remember seeing things.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
Introducing to the Italian. So King Corso. This dog looks like it was sculpted by the gods for deep down. It's just a 110-pound emotional support beast who wants to sit on your damn lap. First off, that stare, intense as hell. Cane Corsos don't look at you. They assess your soul. One eyebrow raised from this dog and your Amazon delivery guy suddenly remembers he left something in the truck and never comes back. They're not loud. But when they bark, windows rattle, babies cry, and the neighbors move out. It's not a bark. It's a warning from the underworld. And they only use it when shit's real. The rest of the time, calm, quiet, judging. Corsos are smart, like criminal mastermind smart. They'll learn your schedule, your habits, your weaknesses, and then use that info to manipulate you into second dinners, earlier walks, and complete surrender. You don't train a Cane Corso, you negotiate, and don't let that tough exterior fool you. These big scary bastards are loyal, clingy, and full of love. They'll follow you from room to room like a giant shadow with trust issues. You close the door, congrats. You now have a Cane Corso-shaped hole in it. If you've got one of these majestic house hippos, drop their pic in the comments, especially if they look like they could snap a tree in half but cry when you leave the house. So yeah, the Cane Corso is muscle, brains, and feelings packed into one massive booty unit. Let me introduce. That was wrong. Look at me this.
இவரெல்லாம் பேரே எடுக்கல. Yeah.
Really heavy. Size 9. Let's go.
You can't just make 12,500 a year on labor. That's like
Started with
Holy shit, bro.
What's this? That's
Blasting.
தெரியுமே
Blasting my
என்ன கடுப்பா இருக்குண்ணா எனக்கு என்ன கடுப்பா இருக்குண்ணா என்னால எடுக்க முடியாது இவ்வளவு பெருசு பிடிக்க கூடாதுண்ணா
பிரச்சனை இல்ல. But for me, it's a beautiful opportunity for me to capture at least $1,000 today.
$2,000 வச்சிருக்கோம் ஒழுங்கா ஆட்டு போட்டுருந்தீங்களா
1,500 தான். It's okay. What it is what it is, bro. My plan is to take partials, but since I execute only 3 lots, I bit of right inside this fair value gap. I close my positions, and as you can see, I projected my target here inside this fair value gap. My target, I understand it's a clear liquidity zone. There is a target. It should be this, the first one, but I was not that confident to hold the position, and it's closed here, and I missed this much more. Okay, That's it. Nothing much to talk. Yes, $343 up. How to make 1,500 more to pass this challenge? That's it. Just close the trade and accumulate unit. Just generate why it's work, why I'm expecting the payment is this point. Flip, fresh. 5 minutes. Wow. Clean displacement once it sweep the buy side, it's clean displacement. Keep on continuing all the way towards this imbalance. Okay. In 5 minutes you can clearly see you don't have any not choice, what should I say? You don't have any red flag to hold the position. Can I put it that way? I don't see anything, bro. I don't see anything here for me to close the position right here. I can comfortably hold the position up to this point because it's nothing. It's just a trend line liquidity, just a push to the upside. It's big giant candles like big displacement. There is no retracement, nothing. Just quick flash towards the take profits. Okay, then for the week. See you next week. Bye. I got the chat now.